Hello, welcome. I want to make a sloping roof on this plan, and the 3D view of the plan is this one. So I want to make two sloping roof, one sloping frontward and the other one sloping backward. And therefore on my plan I need two roofs, and follow me step by step until we finish. So the first thing you do is you go to the roof and then you select roof geometric method single plane, and then you select construction method rectangular. So the front part is up to this point, and therefore you just need to draw the line work. Immediately you select the rectangular method, select the line work, and then you draw the line work up to the end. And then there is a symbol that appears that resembles an eye, and then the symbols must be inside the building. Remember, if you put the symbol outside the building, then the roof will slope inside. If you put the symbol inside the building, then the roof will slope outside. So for my case, because the roof will slope outside, then the symbol must be inside the drawing, the building, and therefore I'll click inside. And this symbol that appears to be a pen appears, and you draw the roof on the plan. So this is the roof is rectangular method. I just draw it, and then the roof appears. I just continue. This is as a result of the height of the roof, and if I view it on 3D, then the roof will appear. So you can see that the roof has appeared on this building, but the height is beyond what is required, and therefore I will just select the roof. So press shift and then click the roof, and therefore we can adjust the height of the roof. Here it is 35, so I can put 2800. This one will depend with the design itself, and therefore 2800 is almost there. I can put 2500 to see whether it will fit the height of the roof. 2500, that one is okay, and therefore as you can see, the roof height is equal to the height of the wall, and therefore this is the flat roof on front yard. So what I just need to do is to add the soffit, the length of the soffit. So I select the roof on plan and then click and add the soffit size. Let me put 450 millimeters, then enter. So if you view it on 3D, you see that the roof soffit appears, and it is a bit shorter, so I have to add the height because of the wall that is appearing on the top of the roof. So I can put 2600 as the height of the roof, so that the wall should not appear. So you can see now the wall disappears. So what is remaining is the back part, the backyard. Now I also need to put the roof at the back. I just repeat the same procedure. I go back to floor plan, and then I select the roof. After selecting the roof, I select the rectangular geometric method rectangular. So this one is from the backyard, so I just draw a line. Then the symbol for the eye appears. It must face inside so that the roof can slope outside. So I click, and then the symbol that resembles a pen appears, and then I draw the roof on top of the building. So that is the roof. This is as a result of the height of the roof. So I continue, and therefore if I view it on 3D, automatically the roof appears. So on this case, I also add the soffit of the roof. So I'll just select everything. So I can go to story 1. I select the roof, and then with this I can add the soffit or offer. So I'll just select offset all edges, and then I click. I add the soffit to be 450. That is overhanging at 450 millimeters, 1.5 foot. And if you can go back to 3D, you can see that my soffit appears. So this roof is a bit higher. I need to lower the height, and therefore I'll just select the roof, and then I want to write this that 500, so I can put that 200, enter. So the roof appears that way. So you can see that the wall projects above the roof, and we need to trim the wall, and therefore what you do, we just need to select the roof. So I'll select the roof, it's already selected. Then I select the wall. So what I do is just go to wall, click wall, and then you press Control A. Control A meaning that you select all the walls. So what we have selected is walls and the roof. So let me repeat, select the roof, then go to the walls, Control A. So all the walls are selected and this roof is selected. Then I right click, crop to single plane roof, and then crop. So basically the walls disappears, it has been cropped, and as you can see, now the roof match very well with the wall. So this is how we design the flat roof, and the whole building is the flat roof, as you can see. And this is how you can design any type of flat roof or rinto roof. So that's how you design, and you can increase the soffit size either by projecting, as you have seen. So basically what we are saying of a soffit, you just select the roof, go to offset edge, and then you can increase the soffit. And also the height of the roof, you just select the roof, and after selecting you can scroll down the top, or else you can double click the roof, and then you set the degree, the pitch of the roof. When the pitch is too high, for instance, I can put 45 degrees for the roof. So if I put 45, you see how it behaves. So the roof is too slopey, as you can see. So basically you can be able to adjust the roof pitch whenever it appears this way. So we just double click here, and then for instance you can put 22. So 22 degrees, you can see 22 how it is sloped. So you can go back, select 10 degrees. You see 10 degrees is a bit lower, and for my case it was 2 degrees. So just go back and select 2 degrees, and then you press OK. So you can see how 2 degrees appears. So for the fascia board, the white fascia board, you can also select the roof and then double click, setting dialog, and it is here. So this 200 is my fascia board, so I can put 150 also to reduce. 150, you can see it has reduced. So I can also select the other one and then reduce it to 150, the fascia board. So I can select this one to be 150 millimeters. 150 millimeters. For the colors and the appearance, I use the same procedures. So I can select the roof again, and then I double click the setting dialog box, and then for the finishes I can go to roof tile. This is at the top of the roof, so I can select roof tile Spanish, and then for the fascia board I can choose any other color. So I can choose blue color and then apply. So this one changes, as you can see, and what is on this other roof is just paint white. You can see it is roof tile French brown, and also for the fascia board is paint glossy white. So that is how you modify the model or the appearance of the roof. And then for the other side, the roof, this is always the top appearance. Then this is the fascia board, and then this is the bottom side of the roof. So it's not visible, but you can put any color in that case. So basically, as you can see, the bottom face we have like a brown color, but that one just adjusts it in setting dialog box. So this is how we design a flat roof, and thank you for watching. Like my channel and kindly subscribe.